Assalamu alaikum all. I hope that you all will be doing good. In this video, I will tell you about 10 amazing and interesting mathematics facts. These maths fun facts will help students get involved with this subject in a better way. So let's start. Do you know what the term 100 means? There are types of interesting numbers in mathematics. One such number is 100. The number 100 does not actually mean 100. It is derived from the Old Norse word hundredth, which actually means 120. Do you know about the Pythagoras constant? We all have heard about the Pythagoras theorem, but there is also something which is known as the Pythagoras constant. The square root of 2, that is 1.41, was the first rational number to be discovered, which is known as the Pythagoras constant. Do you know about the Roman numerals and 0? Romans didn't consider 0 to be a number at all. Therefore, there are in total 0 zeros in Roman numerals. Do you know about the magic number? 9 is also known as the magic number. This is because if you multiply a number by 9 and add all the digits of the new number together, the sum will always add up to 9. For example, the result of 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. And if you add up all the digits of the answer will always be 9. Do you know about the lucky number? If you walked up on the street and asked someone about their favorite or lucky number, there is almost a 10% chance that they will say number 7. Now comes the funny fact. Teenagers texting in Thailand will send the digits 555 to indicate that something is funny. In the Thai language, 5 is pronounced as ha, which when translated becomes ha ha ha. Do you know about the birthday problem? In a sample of 23 people, there are 50% chances that 2 of them will share the same birthday. This is known as the birthday problem. Now let me tell you about the origin of calculator. The calculator, which is the most widely used mathematical device in today's world, has actually originated from the concept of an abacus. Now, do you know about the palindrome number? It is a number that reads the same backwards and forwards. For example, 12421, that is 12,421. Let me tell you an interesting thing about dice. The opposite sides of a dice always add up to 7. For example, 6 and 1 will always be on opposite sides, which add up to 7. So next time, when you play Ludo, you will understand it much better. So these were some of the most interesting and amazing facts regarding mathematics. Stay tuned to our channel so that we share with you some of the most interesting facts about different topics which you all have never heard before. Subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share our video as much as you can. Do let me know in the comments if you want facts about certain topics. I'll surely make it for you. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.